Holle Performance is a company I started in 2001, selling, at the time, extreme off-road components, a lot of builder parts and things like that for guys building buggies. Kind of evolved into selling not just buggy parts, but Jeep and truck parts. This is the JK Commando, built by Synergy Manufacturing. And what it is, it's a 1971 Jeepster Commando on a brand new Jeep Wrangler frame that we've shortened up to 101-inch wheelbase. And the idea of the project was we wanted to build something that was cool, that would catch the consumer's eye and the people at the show's eye, and still featured all the off-the-shelf suspension and steering components that we make. So underneath the JK Commando, we have pretty much all off-the-shelf production parts from us. The skid plates, the adjustable control arms, the springs, the shock mounts, the bump stops, all that stuff is stuff that we make here. The biggest feat with this whole project was basically getting the Commando body on the JK frame, which you see here. And with the project being done now, we're at about 2,000 man hours on the whole thing. I was looking on this project about 3 years ago, found the donor vehicle up in Placerville. It wasn't running, had to winch it up on a trailer and brought it back here and just kind of tore into it a little bit. And surprisingly enough, all we did was change the battery out and clean the carb and fixed the filler neck on the gas tank, and it fired right up. Not too much longer after that, we removed the body from the chassis and started to go to town on it. 2 months out, I think, I saw the email come across for the Battle of the Builders entry, and we were cranking on this thing, and I'm like, hell, why not? We'll enter it and see what happens, with the hope that maybe we would make the cut to the top 10 of the Jeep and truck category. I think it's awesome because it showcases the best of the best, and it showcases what's possible when guys want to work hard and make it happen. This competition's been going on for 3 or 4 years. 4 years. Has a truck ever won? Nope. There aren't really any other Jeepsters, really. Who else is building those? I mean, I haven't seen really any. I think the thing to pay attention to is a lot of the stuff that you won't notice. A ton of body work's been done on that thing. We have a great crew that spent a lot of attention to detail, and that's what made it special, and that's what made it great.